Cash App has specific contact requirements that every user must understand. These requirements are not optional. They're essential for account security and regulatory compliance. Cash App requires at least one verified contact method at all times. This can be either a phone number or an email address, but you must have one of them verified to maintain your account. You cannot completely remove your phone number from Cash App without first adding and verifying an email address as an alternative. This ensures you always have at least one way to verify your identity and recover your account. These contact requirements exist due to Know Your Customer regulations and anti-money laundering efforts. Financial institutions like Cash App must verify user identities to comply with federal regulations and prevent financial crimes. Phone numbers are directly tied to account recovery processes and security verification. If you lose access to your account, Cash App uses your verified contact information to help you regain access safely and securely. Recent updates have enhanced security around contact information management. These include stricter verification requirements, better integration with two-factor authentication, and improved fraud detection systems to protect your account. Understanding these contact requirements is essential for maintaining secure access to your Cash App account. Always ensure you have at least one verified contact method and consider adding both phone and email for maximum security. There are two main ways to update your phone number in Cash App. The first and most common method is the direct update process. Start by opening Cash App and tapping your profile icon. Then select Personal from the menu and tap on Phone Number to begin the update process. Once you access the phone number settings, you'll enter your new phone number and verify it through SMS. This process is straightforward and secure. The verification process typically takes between 2 to 5 minutes. Once your new number is verified, Cash App automatically replaces your old phone number with the new one. The second method involves adding email verification first. This approach is useful if you want to use email as your primary contact method or need additional flexibility with your phone number. First, add and verify your email address through the personal settings. Once your email is verified, you can contact Cash App customer support to modify your phone number settings if needed. When updating your phone number, be aware of important security considerations. Cash App may trigger security reviews for contact changes, and temporary account limitations might apply during the process. Most importantly, always update your contact information before losing access to your old phone number. This proactive approach prevents potential account access issues and ensures a smooth transition.